How to cite an academic journal article in a database, APA 7th edition. This type of citation is used when citing one specific article from an academic journal stored in an online database. Here is what a sample citation looks like. Keep in mind the citation format will vary slightly based on the source's information. Raskin, P period M period 2020, May in parentheses, period, serving those who serve, psychotherapy with military clients, period, Journal of Clinical Psychology in italics, volume 76 in italics, issue 5 in parentheses, period, pages 827 to 830, period. DOI, https://doi.org/10.1002/JCLP.22917. To cite an academic journal article in a database, you will need the author's name, the date of the article's publication, the complete title of the article, including a subtitle if applicable, the title of the periodical, the volume number and issue number, the page numbers of the article, the DOI, digital object identifier of the periodical. What to do if missing information for the citation. If the author is unknown, move the title of the article before the date. If the date is unknown, use the term N period D period in the date parentheses. If the volume is unknown, then omit this information from the citation. If the issue number is unknown, then omit this information from the citation. If there is no page number, then omit this information from the citation. If there is no DOI, then omit this information from the citation. How to format the author's name for the citation. The author's name is written as last name, first initial, period, middle initial, if applicable, period. Write the author's name as the author would write the name, capitalizing the first letter of the last name and any initials. Include any suffix, such as junior or the third, after the initials. Do not include any earned title, such as PhD or Reverend. If there are multiple authors, place a comma between names and add an ampersand before the final name. For example, the name in the sample citation is written as Raskin, P period M period. How to format the date for the citation. Journal articles are typically monthly or quarterly publications, so include as much of the date of publication that is known in year, month, or quarter order inside a single set of parentheses. Place a comma between the year and month. Spell out the entire month. APA 7th edition also accepts only the year of publication. Follow the parentheses with a period. For example, adding the date to the sample citation will be written as 2020, May, in parentheses, period. How to format the article title for the citation. Article titles use sentence case, so capitalize only the first word of the title, first word of the subtitle if applicable, any proper nouns, and any acronyms. Article titles are not placed in quotation marks on the references page. Article titles are written in normal font style. If the article has a subtitle, place a colon between the primary title and subtitle. Follow the article title with a period unless it ends with another punctuation mark. For example, adding the article title to the sample citation will be written as Serving Those Who Serve, Psychotherapy with Military Clients, period. How to format the periodical name for the citation. Periodical titles are written in title case. Capitalize the first word of the periodical's name, any proper nouns, and any major words longer than 3 letters. Italicize the periodical's name. Follow the title with a comma if the article has a volume and/or issue number. Follow the title with a period if there is no volume and/or issue number. For example, adding the periodical's title to the sample citation will be written as Journal of Clinical Psychology in italics, comma. How to format the volume and issue number for the citation. Write the volume number numerically. Italicize the volume number. Do not precede the volume number with the term VOL, period. Write the issue number numerically. Issue numbers are written in normal font style. Place the issue number in parentheses with no space after the volume number. Do not precede the issue number with the term ISS, period. Follow the parentheses with a period. For example, adding the volume and issue numbers to the sample citation will be written as volume 76 in italics, issue 5 in parentheses, period. How to format the page number for the citation. Write the page number numerically after the issue number. Do not place a P before the page number. If the article is a single page, write the number once. If the article has multiple consecutive pages, place a hyphen between the first and last page number. Follow the page number with a period. For example, adding the page number to the sample citation will be written as 827-830, period. How to format the DOI for the citation. The DOI is a set of letters and numbers assigned to a source to provide a permanent location for it on the internet. Write the term https://doi.org/ before the specific DOI of the source. The DOI should be hyperlinked to its source. Do not follow the DOI with a period. For example, adding the DOI to the sample citation will be written as https://doi.org/10.1002/JCLP.22917, all hyperlinked. Formatting on the references page. Alphabetize the source based on the first word of the citation, author's last name, or first word of article title. If citing with an article title for an unknown author, use the first word that is not an article, a, an, or the. Place all citations longer than one line in hanging indent format. First line flush to the left-hand margin and all subsequent lines indented by one full tab. Double space the entire references page and do not add additional spaces between citations. This concludes how to cite an academic journal article in a database.